Today, we're playing the Mickey Minnie's Runaway. It's a wild ride. Yeah. Okay. First area. Wow. Let's see. It's really good. It's really nice. I have to think of it. It's way better in person than on camera. Yeah. Micky and Minnie, we're very loud. Yeah, what could possibly go wrong?
Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent.
This is a pretty
beautifully together. Now, let's count
Don't give up when it's gonna go wrong.
We're supposed to be moving soon.
That's fun!
Oh.
Don't you think, Iggy?
Yeah. We're supposed to see Chibi at the end. Shepherd? Chubby. Chubby the bird. Yeah. We saw him at the beginning of the ride. Now we're gonna see him here at the end.
My dog's name is Chubby.
Oh, look! There's Chubby!
Oh, my dog's name is Chubby.
His name's Chubby.
My dog's name is Chubby. Well, that was our ride on Micky and Minnie's
I didn't know he had a dog named Chubby.
Oh, yeah, that was our ride on Micky and Minnie's Runaway Railroad. Alright.
Like and subscribe, by the way.
Yeah, to subscribe us, and we will try our Koopa Kids content. Might be pretty good.
Chubby's doing the hula.
Alright.
Now Benson. Bye. Goodbye too.